Hi guys, my name is Aldo, the president of Cutting Young Associates for this year. Cutting Young Associates is a youth program set up with the primary purpose of supporting Malaysian and Bruneian students aspiring to further their tertiary education in the ensuing years.
When we started in 2011, there are already about 50 CYA members. In 2013 now, there are already about 800 CYA members. They are mostly the secondary students around Sarawak, especially in Miri and Bintulu. And for your information, there are already about 80 advisors and crews who are involved in CYA.
CYA aims to create a community of students from various regions of Malaysia, Brunei, and most likely in the future KL as well, using social media networks such as Facebook, Twitter, and using its CYA official webpage to create a community of students where each student can share experiences and display various cultural backgrounds from various geographical regions.
Cutting Young Associate is a project managed by Cutting Marketing Department, and it comprises of 13 students. Our activities that are carried out in these 3 years are normally motivational talks and camps. And each of these activities have their own purposes and objectives, such as deciding your future, or deciding your next step after school, or even improving your interpersonal skills.
The past events include Selangkah University or Step to University program held in September 2011. It is a collaboration program between CYA and Bhakti under Curtin Sarawak, Malaysia. It aims to expose secondary school students to the university environment as well as to highlight the importance of higher education for the betterment of their societies and communities. CYA also organizes camps, for example, Jazz Your Mind Camp, which was a 2 days and 1 night event. It is a collaboration program with Curtin Sarawak School of Business. It aims to strengthen the participants' learning skills, which includes communications, presentations, studying, reading, and writing. Another camp was held just last year, which was the What's Next camp. It is a 3 days and 2 nights event held on Curtin ground itself. It aims to help the participants to be more solid when it comes to decision making, especially when it's concerning their future university careers.
So one of our upcoming events is the CYA Sports Day, where we will invite the students to come to Curtin for 1 day, and the schedule will be packed over various types of sports that are played in campus. And then another activity that we're planning to do this semester is an Eat the School debate competition, where selected secondary schools in Miri will be sending a team of representatives, and these students will be debating on current issues or even hot topics.
There are actually quite a number of benefits in terms of joining CYA. As a university student, you actually now get the opportunity to interact with school kids around the region. I'm sure when you were a school kid, you probably had a chance to go to visit a university and learn about university life, or probably you did not have that opportunity like me. So what CYA seeks to do is that it wants to encourage students to attend university, and it provides students with a view of what university life is all about. So if you join CYA, you can be a part of that. But the most important thing about the CYA is that we have always been huge advocates of fun. Students study for SPM and their Form 4 exams, so we bring them in, get them to show the vibrant university life that we have here in Curtin. And you could be a part of that, part of the team that actually demonstrates to these kids that, hey, joining university is quite fun after all.
So, now are you interested in becoming one of us? Wanting to create an impact? Send us an email at president.cya@gmail.com or vicepresident.cya@gmail.com. If you want to find more about us, you can check us out on our website www.curtin.edu.my/CYA/ or follow us on Twitter, which is at Curtin_CYA, or like us on Facebook, Cutting Young Associates. So till then, I'm Deborah Lanjao. See you around.